What's going on, guys, and welcome back to Hacker in the Shop. And in this video, I'm going to go over a quick explanation of what GPR is and how it can benefit your collision repair shop. So GPR stands for glue pole repair, which is the least invasive repair method for today's vehicles. KECO's Level 2 GPR system is the most versatile system on the market. It allows a technician to repair those large complex dents all the way down to those detail lows. Through the use of hot melt glues with specially designed tabs and lifting devices, we are now able to correct that damage as accurately as possible while preserving that factory eco. So with that being said, guys, go ahead and get ahead of the curve and start glue poling now. For more information about GPR and our products, visit KECOtabs.com. And guys, also don't forget to like and share for more Hacker in the Shop.